I wish I could make my lion really move across the room and maybe even roar.
Hey Luna, that sounded like a super cool idea. What are you up to?
Hi Mappy, I'm making a story with my toy. But I wish they could really move and talk like in cartoons.
Ooh, I know just the thing for that. Want to try something amazing?
What is it? Tell me.
It's called ScratchJr. It's like a magical playground where you can choose characters and make them move, jump, dance, and even talk on the screen.
Wait, I can make my own stories with moving characters?
Yes, you can make a cat race a car, a robot fly to space, or a penguin do a happy dance. It's all possible with ScratchJr.
That sounds amazing. Can we start now?
Of course, let's open ScratchJr and bring your ideas to life block by block. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll down and find ScratchJr.
Yes, I found it.
Step 3. Click the Home button. Step 4. Now click on the Plus button to start a new project.
Oh, I got it. But what are these on the screen?
These are block categories. Triggering blocks, yellow color. These blocks are used to start actions based on some conditions like start on green flag, start on tap, and start on bump. You can also send and receive messages between sprites. Motion blocks, blue color. These blocks help you move and place the character on the stage. You can make the character go right, left, up, or down. You can also turn it left, turn it right, hop, and go back to the starting spot. Looks blocks, purple color. These blocks are used to control the looks of a sprite. You can hide, show, and change the size of the sprite as needed. With the Say block, sprites communicate by displaying text. Sound blocks, green color. These blocks are used to add sound in your project. You can also record and play the recorded sounds. Control blocks, orange color. These blocks are used to control the flow of the script. You can also make a sprite wait, stop, set speed, and repeat actions based on the script's flow. End blocks, red color. These blocks are used to show the end of a sequence of actions for a script.
Oh, this is so interesting. I got it.
Luna, did you know you can use more than one sprite in a ScratchJr project?
Really? I thought we could only use one.
No, let me show you. First, open ScratchJr. When it opens, you'll see a little character called Tick on the stage.
Oh, Tick is cute.
Now, look at the left side and click the plus button to add another sprite. Choose Talk from the list.
Done. Now Tick and Talk are both here.
Great. Move them around so they are standing apart on the stage. Now, let's make it look nice. Click on the Change Background button and select the park.
Ooh, that looks like fun.
Now let's add code. First, select Tick. Drag the Start on Green Flag block from the yellow blocks. Then drag a Move Right block from the blue ones. Change the number to 5.
Okay, Tick will move 5 steps right.
Yes. Now go to the purple blocks and add the Say block. Type Hi Talk.
Done. He is so polite.
Last thing for Tick. go back to the yellow blocks and drag a send message block. That will tell Talk it's his turn.
Like passing the mic.
Excellent. Now click on Talk. First, drag the Start on message block from yellow. Then add the Move left block from blue and set it to 5 steps.
Got it. And now the purple say block again.
Yes. Type high tick. That's it. Now click the green flag at the top and watch.
Yay! They are talking to each other.
Want to try another one?
Yes, please.
Okay. This time remove tick and add a new sprite. Choose frog.
Done. He looks jumpy.
Let's make him jump near a river. Click the background button and pick river.
It looks so beautiful.
Now select the frog and drag blocks like we did before. First add the Start on green flag block, then the Move right block and the Repeat block from the orange blocks.
Okay, Mappy.
Next add the Hop and another Move right block from the motion blocks. Then add a pop sound block from the green blocks. And finally add the Hide sprite block from the looks block.
It's like a frog jumping into the river with a big splash.
Exactly. Now click the green flag button again.
This is so fun, Mappy. I want to make more.
You have done amazing, Luna. We are almost ready to create that film for the whole park.